morning everyone, so welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna tackle about the identifying conics. So we're going to identify what conics it will be, like parabola, hyperbola, and etc. So in the definition, a general second degree equation in x and y represented by a conic a x squared plus b xy plus c y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Then has the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, which can be utilized by determining the type of conic. So conic, if the discriminant of the conic is equal to 0, so this one will be a parabola. And then if the discriminant is greater than 0, it is hyperbola. And if the discriminant is less than 0 and b is not equal to 0, or c or a is not equal to c, it can be ellipse. And if the discriminant is less than 0 and b is equal to 0 and a is equal to c, it is a circle. If b is equal to 0, axis of the conic is horizontal or vertical. If b is not equal to 0, the axes are neither horizontal or vertical. So, have example. Example, identify what type of conic is given. 2x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we're going to use this one and this formula. So here is the given. 2x squared plus y squared plus 4x is equal to 4. So a is equal to 0 rather. So our a here, a is x squared. So this one, 2x squared. So for our a, we have 2. So for b, b is x y. So we're going to look for the given if there is xy. So no. So for our b is 0 and c is cy squared. So this one. So for our c, we have 1. So we completed this 3 to use this formula. Then b squared. So 0 squared minus 4 times 2, which is c by a, and for our c is 1. 4 times 2 times 1. So we have negative 8. So negative 8 is less than 0 and a is not equal to c. So it is ellipse. Okay, for number 2, x squared plus 2x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. So same process. So for our a is 1, for our b 0, and for our c we're going to look c y squared. So there's no y squared, so we're going to put 0. Next, let's proceed to this formula. So b is 0 minus 4a, which is 1, and C is 0. So 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 0 is equal to 0. So the discriminant is 0. So automatically it is a parabola, because this tells the conic discriminant. If D or discriminant is equal to 0, it is a parabola. So let's proceed to the last example. X squared plus y squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So for our A, we have 1, and B is 0, and C is also 1. So use formula. This formula, 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 is equal to negative 4. So it tells that if the discriminant is less than 0 and A is equal to C, which is A is 1 and C is 1, so it is a circle. So that's all, guys, for identify the conics. So thank you, and see you in my next video.